Latch keyless smart lock technology makes it easy for you and your guests to access your home and common area doors using a simple phone or watch-based app or code. Apartment home doors lock automatically, you'll never forget. Locked out? Use your memorized confidential security code to unlock your door. On the inside of your door, you will find two privacy latches. One is located on the latch lock itself, turn it all the way, and the second is a keyless privacy lock located just above. With just a few taps on your thermostat, you can choose between heat and cool, and you can select between automatic operation and off. Tapping menu allows you to find numerous settings for your thermostat, including scheduled operation. Inside your HVAC closet is a ventilation system that allows fresh, outdoor air to enter your apartment home in exchange for stale, humid air. The system monitors the incoming air to ensure that it is not too hot, too cold, or too humid. The main water shutoff and water meter for your apartment are located inside the HVAC closet. When water is flowing, you will see a wheel spinning on the water meter. To turn water off, locate the valve next to the water meter and turn it until it stops. Under cabinet lighting and kitchen exhaust are activated by switches located above the counter. The dishwasher has a user-serviceable filter. Simply twist to remove and twist to remove the bottom housing to dislodge any large debris. There is also a filter screen that can be removed for cleaning. To clean the filter, run under warm water and use a soft cloth for stubborn debris, then simply replace. A countertop button located next to the faucet activates the sink disposer. The ice bin can be removed by first unlatching this panel and then removing the bin. Located behind the bin, you will find an on and off switch for the ice maker. To replace the bin, simply insert it and then press at the bottom to ensure it is firmly seated. Then close and latch. The main breaker panel is typically located behind the door of the main bedroom. A breaker panel diagram is located inside the breaker panel door. If a breaker has flipped into the off position, simply move it back into the on position to restore power. All apartment homes come with high-end front-load GE washer and dryer. Cycle selections can be made using the wheel on the front. Cycle options are made using the buttons on the panel to the right. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button to activate Wi-Fi on the device. Download the GE Smart HQ app to configure. To clean the bottom window panel, first unlock the window using the two tabs at the top. Move the panel up 2 to 3 inches, and then pinch the tabs located at the left and right and pull forward.